Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Altima backlight. First, gather your essential tools for the job. You will need an 8mm socket or wrench, along with a ratchet, to remove the mounting nuts. A trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver will help with interior panels. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout the process. Having these items ready will make the replacement smooth and efficient. Next, we need to access the taillight assembly. Begin by opening your trunk and locating the trunk liner in the area around the light you're replacing. You'll find several clips or fasteners holding this liner in place. Use your trim tool or flathead screwdriver to carefully remove them. Once the fasteners are out, gently peel back the carpet to fully expose the back of the taillight assembly and its wiring. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the taillight assembly by pressing its small locking tab and pulling it apart. Then, use your 8mm wrench or socket to unscrew the two mounting nuts that secure the taillight housing to the vehicle body. Once those are removed, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back to release it. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it, then pull the old bulb straight out. To finish up, insert your new bulb into the socket, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare fingers, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Twist the bulb socket clockwise to lock it securely back into the taillight housing. Reinstall the taillight assembly by aligning the pins and studs, then reattach the two 8mm nuts and reconnect the electrical connector. Finally, replace the trunk liner and test all your lights to ensure they are working correctly. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the air freshener and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.